In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Binance account in India. Now, believe it or not, making a Binance account in India is entirely possible because Binance is supported in India. But what you would need to do is you would need to open up Binance.com or download the Binance application from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Make sure you're on the official website/app. Be aware of any scam links out there, and you only want to use Binance applications and websites. So you should see a button that does say register, and all you want to do is you want to press on that, and you're going to need to start off by choosing an email or a phone number in order to sign up, and you will need to create a strong password. Now, afterwards, it is going to ask you for your country, and that's where you want to select on India. And please make sure to enter your mobile number with 91 at the start of it to actually confirm that you're from India. And then it is going to send you a 6-digit verification code, and you just want to enter it in. And then afterwards, you will need to complete the KYC. And to do that, that is basically verifying your identity. And you're going to need to upload like a passport or a driver's license and even a selfie for face verification. So make sure you do that as well. And then afterwards, you need to deposit funds. But Binance doesn't directly support deposits due to RBI restrictions. So what you would need to do is you would need to deposit crypto from another wallet or exchange to Binance. And then from there, you guys can go ahead and start trading. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.